getting awesome, dude. Already seen some trees down and stuff. Oh, man. I was just trying to get back to the shop, man. Oh, boy, what's up? Something's up. Okay, yeah. Let's do it. Do it, man. That's the way I was going. Oh, snap. There's a guy on a bike up there, man. He is hating life. He is hating life up there. Well, maybe not. It was pretty freaking hot today, man. Let's hope we can make it through here. Little back road. Should be able to get her done. Ah, man. Yeah. Nice. It's a beauty, eh? Hell yeah. Fish is coming down. I think we're screwed again. Shit. Let's see here, man.